So I noticed this grass growing in my Bermuda, and I have no idea if anybody knows what this is. Please let me know. But you can't kill this. You have to use grass killer. So you're going to have to dig this out. Now, my first one, I had a little whoopsie right there, but then I got the hang of it. And when you're digging this out, if you're just really super careful and you get it down, get the shovel down there and get it really square right where that grass is, it's super easy to just pull that straight out and then just get rid of that. I got a really good piece right here. Check out that. That was so satisfying. So this spot right around my house, again, I'm just putting that in all the way around where that grass is. And then it's just super easy to get out of there. Now, this is really your only option. There is no, herbicide that will kill this. You have to get a grass killer, and I don't want to use that on my babies. So then just get some soil, just some good topsoil, and fill this in. And then when you're done, you're going to want to just kind of spread the soil out so that the grass comes through so it doesn't die. And then if you don't want to wait for that to grow back together, what you can actually do is find a spot in your yard and you can dig out some of your grass and transplant it into that area. So I'm getting ready to do like a gravel thing for my hose holder right here. And I dug this little piece out right there, and we're going to go ahead and take it to that front spot. Now I cut that into 3 separate pieces, and I dug down. I'll just make sure you're digging down far enough and then just recover it back up with that soil. And then you're going to go ahead and water that. This is what it looks like now. And so we'll just come back and check on it, and it should grow together pretty quickly. And while I was down there, I noticed that my sprinkler was broken. I don't know if you've seen that, but I have a video on how to fix that for $5 in 5 minutes. And check this out. Is that rebar supposed to be sticking out like that? If anyone can let me know, that would be great. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.